Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn The Power of the Cross, just the intro to The Power of the Cross by Chris Tomlin. So to play this song, you'll have to know a little bit about finger picking. This is a fairly accessible one if this is your first time trying to finger pick, but if you don't have a pretty good grasp of the chords, this is going to be a little challenging. So if you see it and you think you're not quite ready for it, work on your G chord and your C chord, and then come back to this video a little bit later, and I'm sure you'll be able to play it. It's not that difficult. Click subscribe, guys, if you enjoy my videos, if you'd like to see more and learn from me. Also, check out my description below if you'd like to join my guitar community. It's a place where people that want to learn guitar can come together, learn together, play together, and learn from each other. You can sign up for group lessons there, and you can also sign up for private lessons with me. All right, guys, let's get into this. Like I said, we've got a G chord, and I'm going to do a hybrid G chord on this one because of the first part of the song, because we have if you listen to the recording, you hear a hammer on, but it's a hammer on from an A to a B, and it's kind of hard to do that with an open string, so you can't play that open B. So what I do is I'm going to put my second finger on the G string on the second fret. I'm going to pluck the third fret. I'm going to play the third fret and pluck that second string and do that hammer on. So the first part is like this. And then we're going to walk that down. And then lift this one up. So. And notice that my pick is just kind of doing this, and my finger is doing more of the work. So let's go over that again. So what I'm doing is I'm just playing, and then with this pick I'm just doing. More time. 1, 2, really slow. Then you're going to go to C, but you're going to lift your first finger and pluck the A string and the B string, and you're going to do the hammer on with your first finger. So it's like, okay. And with this one, my pick is going between the A string and the D string. So it's going to go. And then my finger is still playing those notes. So it's. So. And most of that is open strings, and you can check the tab out below. But the one thing I am doing is I'm moving my first finger to the second fret of the G string. So. So the whole thing. All right, guys, I hope that helped you. I use this a lot when I'm playing by myself. Don't always have to play this intro if you're leading it with a band, but it's fun to know how to do to be able to play it by yourself and still have that intro rather than just playing chords the whole time. It makes things a little bit more interesting, breaks things up a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Stay tuned for the tab at the end. I know that this one's a little tricky. Go back through, watch my fingers, watch the way I'm picking. That's really the trick, is getting this picking pattern in the right hand. And once you get used to it, as you could tell in there, I don't know if you could tell, but I definitely could, that as I slow it down, it's harder for me to play it because I've gotten so used to playing it fast. So check out the tab, slow it down, pause the tab, play, and then try to play through it. And if you have any requests or any questions, leave those in the comments, and I'll see you next time.